Hello everyone, welcome back to the Token Minds training series. Today we'll break down how to launch a Web3 PR campaign across emerging regions using structured local media, community activation, and trust-first positioning. So the session focuses on regional execution. We'll cover how to activate country-level media, build strategic community amplification that drive user growth, and create local paid ads that converts better. So many projects treat emerging regions like Latin America, MENA, and Africa as extensions of global PR. But these regions require local trust systems. Media is fragmented, languages change country by country, audiences are cautious due to past scams. At the same time, the scale is massive and often underestimated. So Bitso educated a zero awareness market in LATAM through trusted local media. They reached 9 million users and processed $3.3 billion in remittances, while Yellow Card framed crypto around daily financial pain points in Nigeria. They reached over 1 million users in months. So both brands succeeded by making crypto locally relevant, not globally loud. Bitso did not send the same story to every outlet. They planned three levels of media coverage in one launch window. First, international crypto media built global credibility and signaled that the company was serious. Second, regional crypto outlets like Crypto Noticias or Crypto Tendencia explained the product in local language and local context. Third, mainstream business media framed the story around remittances, inflation, and economic impact, not just crypto. So they also use a timing strategy. A major outlet received the funding story in their embargo. Once it went live, regional outlets followed quickly. This created momentum without paying for broad advertising. After media coverage, Bitso focused on building direct communication channels. They launched WhatsApp groups by country, including Mexico, Argentina, Brazil, and Colombia. These groups shared product updates, support, and simple education. They selected influencers based on audience fit, not just large follower numbers. For example, finance focused creators explain remittances and dollar access in simple terms. They also introduced a referral model where both users shared trading fees. This gave people a reason to invite their friends. Yellow Card built paid campaigns country by country. So instead of leading with crypto messaging, they led with low fees and easier dollar access. They used short Snapchat videos to show how the app works step by step. This helped young and mobile first users understand quickly. They targeted Google searches with strong buying intent too, such as send money to Nigeria or buy USDC Kenya. So these users were already looking for solutions. By by adjusting campaigns per country, they reduce cost per install by 30%. The message matched the local problem in its market. Before this strategy, Bitso had no strong local brand presence. There were no structured community channels, remittance costs were high, and many users did not understand crypto. After structured PR and community execution, Bitso reached 9 million retail customers across Latin America, processed $3.3 billion in US Mexico remittances, and expanded to 135,000 offline partner stores such as OXXO and 7-Eleven. This shift shows that regional trust systems can turn media coverage into real user growth. Emerging markets are leading Web3 growth. LATAM has over 92 million wallet users. Crypto ownership in the region grew 116% year over year. Africa saw 300% peer-to-peer growth, with Nigeria representing more than 12% of all MetaMask users globally. So the opportunity is large, but only if approached correctly. Most Web3 projects do not lack visibility. They lack structured regional systems that convert PR into growth. Token Minds focuses on regional research, localized content, strategic media outreach, and community activation. In Southeast Asia, one campaign generated over 15 million PR-driven clicks and more than 10,000 community members in 3 months. The goal is simple: turn exposure into trust, trust into adoption, adoption into market leadership. So thank you for watching and see you in the next training video.